All right, good evening, beautiful people. Let's hop into our Deriv, and I want to show you today how to deposit, how to make transfer within the Deriv app, and how to withdraw using Litecoin. Okay, I prefer Litecoin. In fact, I do all my deposits and withdrawals in Litecoin because I don't want stories. There are times that you may hear stories from all these agents, okay, and the rest. So I prefer just doing this by myself. All right, so here we go. Top left, top left, this stuff, right? That's where we are clicking. You click on it, then you go to cashier. You go to cashier, you click on cashier, then you click on transfer. Click on transfer. Okay, and boom, this is what you have. Before I go further, I want to say this. Always look out for this. Always look out for this. It should always be zero point 0.0, except when you have money on other accounts, or in this particular account, then it will not be zero. Okay. Now you can't do transfer using a demo. I'm just trying to say that there's a difference between a real and a demo. So always make sure you're on your real account. If you can't find this real account, click on this top where the arrow is pointing to, and you'll be able to locate it there. All right, let's come back to what we're doing. So the account you want to transfer from must be at the top. It must be at this top. It must be here. That's the account you want to transfer from. The account you want to transfer to must be here. You're getting the difference now. So you click the top. I want to transfer from financial. Where do I want to transfer to? Is it to US dollar? No. I want to transfer to Litecoin. Okay. I must have created a Litecoin account before now. And if you've not created, go back and create it. Okay. So you click on Litecoin. Here is it. And you can click on 75% or all. For me, I'm clicking on all, and then I make my transfer. Can you see that? Then you make your transfer. Then look at the bottom. It can ask you to make new transfer. Can you see the bottom? Yes. It can ask you to make new transfer. You click on that again. Let's say this time around, yes, for you to transfer to your MT5 account, okay, after you've created it, first of all, you transfer to either Litecoin or the normal USD. So remember, I say what you are transferring from will be at the top. So you look for your Litecoin, you click on it, then below you see this derived. This derived is my what do you call it? Is my MT5 account. Okay. All right. So you can select that one below. Can select that one below and then do your transfer, and immediately it will appear on your MT5. All right. Now that's that for that. That's transfer. That's how to make transfer. Okay. Even if you want to withdraw, you will still do transfer. You transfer it into Litecoin. Now that it's in Litecoin, let me go for withdrawals. This is what you do. You click on the top. Remember where we started from? Top left. Then go to cashier again. And this time around, you click on withdrawal. But before you click on withdrawal, make sure that this place has been changed to Litecoin. If that place is not changed to Litecoin, it will assume you are trying to withdraw USD, and it will show you that you have 000 Naira in your USD. Are you getting this now? So you change this to Litecoin first. Click there. Then you select your Litecoin. Mhm. Once you can see it at the top now that it's showing, then you go back to that same process, transfer, sorry, not transfer, the top, click on the top, then cashier, then withdrawal. And you see how easy it is. Now see what they are going to do. They'll say, I want to make a withdrawal. Should I send a withdrawal request to my email? I say send. Now they have sent it. I will go to my email. By now you should have, I'm coming, just a minute. So let's see. All right. At times I will send it. Take note. Take note. Where did you see it? It's in promotion. Can you see it? Not really in your email. It's found in the promotion. So at times to get the promotion, see this top, click on it. Can you see it? Promotion is like the third on the list here. Can you see it? So you can come click on promotions, then come down like this. You can see Deriv withdrawal request. You can see it, right? You click on it. Then you say, yes, it is me. Click on it. And it will take you back to that Deriv app. That reminds me, this Deriv app, you may hardly not get it on Play Store. It's not there. Okay? But if you are in our group, it's there for you. I've been sharing it with as many as possible. It's a very good app. That's what I've been using for years. Now, at the top here, you now put your Litecoin address, your LTC address. Where do you get it from? You can get it from Binance. You can get it from any exchange. You can get it from that. You can get it there. You can get it from Binance, from any of these exchange. Okay. You can get it there. Or let's say you want to sell it to somebody, you ask the person to send you his or her LTC or Litecoin address. After you've gotten it, you paste it here. Then you now click on all if you want to withdraw everything. Once you click on all, this place, once you click on all, this place will show red and ask you to withdraw. All right. Me, I don't want to withdraw, so I can't go further than here again. That's all. The moment you click on withdraw, it doesn't take that long. Okay, this is one of the best way not to have stress. Okay, now we've talked about transfer, we've talked about withdrawal. Let's go to um deposit. Same thing. Go to cashier, click there. You see deposit. Make sure it's on Litecoin already at the top. So this is deposit. So let's say I am selling Litecoin to you now. I am selling Litecoin to you now. You look at it. Okay. You now see. You can see this one. It said deposit via bank wire, credit card, and the rest. I don't use all those options. But you see this second one. Sorry, just a minute. You see this second one, right? Deposit cryptocurrencies. Yeah, it's showing you all these options like this. Uh-huh. This is the one that I use. Okay. So I click on it. I click on it and let's see. And then I click on Litecoin. You see this add new account. So let's say you don't have Litecoin account. People are wondering, I did not create, or I did not add it in the beginning. No, don't worry. Don't worry. Come here, click on add new account. You can click on add new account like this. It will give you the option to add other ones that you did not add. But for me, now that I've created Litecoin already, I'll click on Litecoin and then I'll click on continue. That is it. I'll now copy this thing. Eh? See this thing like this. That's what I'll copy and send to somebody. And I don't need much. Just click here. The moment you click there, to show you copy, click it. You see, copy it. Then I'll send it to anybody that I want the person to fund my account for me, or if I want to fund my account from an exchange. That's it. That's it, guy. Very, very simple. Okay. So the next video I'm going to be doing will be showing us the strategy that we've been using to make lots of dollars on a daily basis. Okay. And if you want to contact me for questions, for signals and all that, you're also free. We're working on something very soon. We're working on something very, very soon. Yeah. All right, guys. See you in the next video.